Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today our topic is about Kingdom Plantae, which is on page number 47. Kingdom Plantae. This is another kingdom of 5 kingdom system, which is about all green plants. So this kingdom includes all green plants. They are multicellular eukaryotic organism. Plants are multicellular because their body are made from many cells. Multi mean many, cellular means cell, and eukaryotic organism. Eukaryotic are those organisms which are made from those cells which have true nucleus in their cell, which have membrane bounded nucleus in their cell. Plants have chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green color which help in photosynthesis, prepare their own food. And plants also prepare their own food because they have chlorophyll and they do the process of photosynthesis. They have cell wall made up of cellulose. So their cell wall is made up of cellulose. So cellulose is a chemical, so from which the plant cell wall is made. Polymers. Common example are mosses, ferns, conifers and flowers. So plants are distributed in 3 categories: herbaceous, shrubs and trees. So some plants are herbaceous like mosses, fern. Herbs are those plants which have no true nucleus in their body, true wood in their bodies. Conifers and flowering plants. Conifers are those plants which have no flower and are also called as gymnosperm, and flowering plants also called as angiosperm, which have flower. Solitary flower are inflorescence, group of flower. Rose, wheat, sugarcane, these are the example of green plants. So plants are those organisms which have green color chlorophyll and can prepare their own food. They are also called as autotrophs. These are the diagrammatically representation of green plants. So dear students, on page number 47, the detail of Kingdom Animalia is present, and also the diagrams of green plants are present. So example of plant: mosses, these are mosses; ferns, these are ferns; and cycas, this is cycas; maize and brassica flower, this is maize; pinus, which have cones. So this is all about the plants. Plants have 3 categories: herb, shrubs and trees, and they have 2 types. One is flowering plants and another one is conifers or non-flowering plants. So this is all about the Kingdom Plantae, which have green plants and can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis because they have green color chlorophyll. Now the next topic is about Kingdom Animalia. So dear student, Kingdom Animalia includes all animals. Animals are those organisms which show locomotion, which can move from one place to another place. They are also multicellular, made from many cell, eukaryotic, having true nucleus in their cell, which lack cell wall. Lack means absent. Cell wall are absent in their cell and have no chlorophyll. Chlorophyll are absent in the animal cell. They cannot prepare their own food because they have no green color chlorophyll. They do not show the process of photosynthesis, so that's why they cannot prepare their own food, and from this reason they are called as heterotrophs. Heterotrophs are those organisms which cannot prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis because they have no green color chlorophyll. Plants ingest food and digest within their bodies. They get food from the green plants or from other organisms and can bring in their bodies to make energy. Animals are classified in two groups. Animal types. There are two types of animal on behalf of their backbone. Some animals have backbone or vertebral column in their bodies are called as vertebrates, and some animals absent vertebral column or backbone in their body are called as invertebrates. So, dear students, animals are classified into two groups on the basis of presence or absence of vertebral column, backbone. Invertebrates, earthworm, starfish, and etc. Vertebrates, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fish and amphibian. Amphibian are those organisms which can live in water as well as on land, like frog. Reptiles, ringने वाले जानवर like snake, like worms. Birds and mammals. Birds and mammals these are vertebrates because they have vertebral column in their bodies, and this is the diagrammatical representation of kingdom Animalia. So, dear student, kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia, kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, and kingdom Fungi. These are the 5 kingdoms which include in 5 kingdom system, and all organisms are grouped in 5 kingdoms. In these 5 kingdoms. Now, come on page number 49, which is about the comparison between 2 kingdom and 5 kingdom system of classification. So, dear student, 2 kingdom system and 5 kingdom system. It was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in 1751. It was proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1959. Organisms are classified into 2 kingdoms. Organisms are classified into 5 kingdoms. It is based on nutrition and motility. It is based on the cell structure, complexity of body, mood of nutrition, and evolution. So these are the comparison differences between 2 kingdom system and 5 kingdom system. It is the placement of organisms like Euglena, bacteria, fungi, and Plantae is questionable due to certain reason. Organisms are better placed on the basis of body, cell structure, and evolution. So these are the differences in 2 kingdom system. Carolus Linnaeus can have some limitation, have some drawbacks, have some mistake, which can be removed by the 5 kingdom system. Now, distinguish characteristics of the 5 kingdoms of living organism. Distinguish mean different character. Euglena, cell type, prokaryotic. Kingdom Monera, cell type, prokaryotic, unicellular or colonial. Protista, eukaryotic, unicellular, colonial, or simple multicellular. Fungi, eukaryotic, having true nucleus in their cell, unicellular, one cell, or multicellular, many cell. Kingdom Plantae, eukaryotic, multicellular. So Animalia, eukaryotic, multicellular. So these are the distinguished character in cell types. Nuclear envelope, absent, present, 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 present. Polysaccharide and amino acids present in some forms, various types. Fungi, chitin, cellulose, and other polysaccharide absent. Autotroph, mode of nutrition. Autotrophic or heterotrophic, photosynthetic or heterotrophic or combination of these. Heterotrophic, photosynthetic and autotrophic and heterotrophic. Heterotrophs are those organisms that cannot prepare their own food. Autotrophs are those organisms which can prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis, having green color chlorophyll. Photosynthetic and autotrophic are same. So these are the distinguished character in 5 kingdoms. So viruses. Next topic is viruses. So viruses is a unique particle because they have dual nature. In open environment they are dead, while in living body they are live. So these are the some points about viruses. Okay, this is enough for today. Wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.